trying to do it.
Put these guys over here to eat. These guys found it.
They love you. Oh, they licked it clean. Look at them.
Push it over on the other side.
Oh, they'll come over. They licked it clean.
Lacey doesn't know it's over here. She's still scooting. Nah. Little girl that's left.
Don't worry. You're not last. You're just next.
That's right. Hey, baby. You're the last home. I think I have somebody for you.
Well, they're all coming over
The
here.
food. The bowl.
Oh.
Maybe twist it. Like turn the whole plate.
Oh, no. Just trying to get that all out of the grass. They're still pushing the ball. Hi, my Bobby. See, my Bobby just follows me and he wants to play with. Look, he's playing with my leg.
I'm gonna get you.
You got me, huh?
Okay. I'm going to turn the whole plate around. So it's back on that side. Yep, eating time. No, Luna.